Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I have this new C 9H tempered glass anti-fingerprint screen protector for my iPhone 14 Pro. But the problem is, I'm filming with that one, so I'll show it to you, but I won't be able to do too much else. But I'll show you guys what it is and how it works. But you can see that even the camera looks good because I'm using the self-facing camera and it goes right through the glass perfectly fine because I have one on here already. Same exact one. So it says, comes with our wipes. We have a wet wipe and a dry wipe. So we have three of those. It comes with three of everything. It comes with a bunch of these little stickers. So if you get dust underneath it in your application process, you can kind of put this under there and get the dust out. And then it comes with three of the protectors. I'll show you kind of what they look like. So you've got, so it's fairly clear. It has a little notch here. Not exactly sure why it even needs the notch anymore with the dynamic island, because this one is for the 14 Pro that doesn't have that, but mine does have that little notch up at the top. I don't know, doesn't really need it, doesn't do anything. There's no video up there or anything, and nothing's touchable, so it really doesn't matter too much. But it's kind of nice. Like I know in some of the old ones they have a huge notch out of it there, but this one doesn't. And so basically the way it would work is you peel this off and you put it on. So you clean off the screen, peel it off, put it on, center it. Hopefully you center it pretty good. Usually I have a little bit of a problem centering it, although the one I have on now is perfect. I got it perfectly centered. But it's very cool. So I love these ones. I always get the same brand here, and I've dropped my phone too many times, so I've broken a few of them. My phone is currently on a good one, so it's good. But I needed a couple of spares just in case. But these are super solid and stuff. I can drop it many times until it goes bad. So this one's, but so it's good. So I like it. So I'm going to say thumbs up from me. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.